as we celebrate this groundbreaking event, which is actually a celebration of a milestone in transforming energy in the area. Nabanggit ni Ma'am Ria kanina, this used to be an oil facility, neighboring a coal facility, and transformation starts now. The 60 megawatt Naga battery energy storage system is a powerful symbol of that transformation. And yung significance niyan is not readily felt by our consumers. But for us in the energy sectors, having an alternative technology to support the system is far more than enough to really contribute to the reliability of the system here in Visayas. We may have ample policies, rules, regulation, and even laws that we have implemented, but the actual innovation starts with our proponents. That is the reason why we fully acknowledge the activities and accomplishment of AboitizPower, and it signifies as well a partnership between the government and the private sector. So the Department of Energy commends the AboitizPower for their continued confidence in the Philippine energy future. Your investment demonstrates the innovation and sustainability that can go beyond what we have been dreaming of. As we break ground on this facility, we are also laying the foundation of a stronger and more resilient power for the Visayas, one that can better withstand disruption, support economic growth, and enable greater deployment of renewable energy. This is because very few among us fully understand the role of battery energy storage system or energy system as a whole. While we continuously convince and invite investment in renewable energy technologies, we need this technological support to create a reliable and efficient system. An energy storage system, particularly that of the battery, is one among those technologies that we can readily adapt. Although, challenge is always there. And one among the challenges that we always pose, nakatingin sa akin si Boss Albert, that we always pose is, dapat kahapon pa yan. So our challenge is, can we make it faster? Baka lang masita ako ni Boss Aldo, but I've been telling him, come on, we had 6 months. So, carry ko yun dahil yun din yung binigay sa aking task. You have to do it in 6 months. So, with that, I really hope that everyone, with the introduction of these innovative technologies, here particularly in Cebu, this could be the second because the first one is in Mactan. But yung bigger role ng battery energy storage will be felt once this facility, looking forward to it, is the inauguration. So, I know it's a big challenge for us to have it on time, but this will really pave the way for the economic growth, not only of Naga City, but for the entire city. As mentioned by Ms. Ria kanina nga, Naga used to be the seat of energy source for the entire city. And hopefully, Aboitiz will lead that significance through their projects. Another challenge is, Boselso, let's have more. So maraming salamat po at isang makakalikasang araw sa ating lahat.